Hey everyone, welcome to the Rust course, the beginner friendly and complete Rust programming playlist you will find on the YouTube. Whether you are completely new to programming or you are already familiar with the languages and curious about Rust, this course is for you. In this playlist, we will go from zero to hero, starting from absolute basics like what is programming, how Rust works behind the scene, installing Rust on Windows, Ubuntu, like a Linux system or Mac. After that, we will see how to run a Rust program. We will try to understand the memory safety, structures, enums, traits, concurrency, and a lot more. We will also build mini projects so you actually use what you learn in the real world. In this whole playlist, we will be using Ubuntu, but don't worry if you are using Windows or Mac, that's completely fine. I will walk you through the installation and setup process on all major operating systems step by step. This is just a tutorial of this playlist. This is a complete learning journey. Every topic is explained in a simple language, hands-on examples. So even if you have never coded before, you will be writing Rust code confidently in no time. And if you are already a programmer, you will love how powerful, fast, and safe Rust is. So you can hit the subscribe button, grab your laptop, and let's start your Rust journey together. And yeah, don't forget to check the description of this playlist. I have mentioned the syllabus of this whole playlist. There will be more than 90 videos where I will be covering every topic wise. Just check the description and you can see the roadmap what we are going to follow in this playlist. This is the best beginner friendly course you can ever see on the YouTube. Here you will see all the basic advanced things. So yeah, stay tuned and stay connected with me. We will be catching up you in the next video where I will be explaining you what is programming and how programming usually used to work and what exactly it is. So yeah, stay tuned and stay connected. I will catch up you in the next video. Thank you.